Hi there, Poppin PJ here. Let's make some cow wall art.
You will need a horseshoe, a closed S-hook, some hex nuts, some spoons, and a board. We begin by determining where we want the horseshoe to go. Drill some holes for the screws. Change the drill bit. Starting with the first screw, we drill it in. Second screw the same. Putting some E6000 on the closed S-ring. Placing down the closed S-ring, which is going to be the nostril of the cow's nose. A little spoon fun. The spoons are going to be the ears and the horns. E6000 on the contact points where the spoon's going to go on the board. Get your 2 hex nuts. Determine where you want these hex nut eyes to go. E6000 on one side of the nut. I dropped a little bit and just spread it on that nut. Put it down for the eye and then take the next one and do the same thing. He looks so cute. Gotta put a picture hanger on the back of this so we can hang him up. And here he is. He is so friggin' cute. I'm gonna give one of these cows I make to my mom for Mother's Day. Cow number 2, I'm going to put this horseshoe down like I did the first one on a scrap board that I had stained gray. Drilled holes for the screws. Drill the screws in to the horseshoe and the board. More spoon fun. E6000 on the contact points of the spoon. Place the spoon ear horns onto the board as you would like. E6000 on the closed S-ring, that's going to be the cow's nostrils. I think he's poppin'. E6000 on the hex nuts, that are going to be the cow eyes. Add some black wooden letters that say moo on this one. Put a picture hanger on the back. Put them on the wall, and now we have a little cow family. Moo! If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.